Today is Sunday, June the 30th, 2024. Had several people ask about the road construction on Rifle Range Road and how it was coming, and so I decided to go down there when there was nobody working and check it out. So you can see that they've got the road blocked off there, and that they're working on the actual roadway where the culverts are. We'll get up and get a little closer look at that in just a second. I think I surprised a guest there checking out the machinery. I don't know whether he knew I was there or what, but anyway, looks like he's checking out the construction equipment. Anyway, there you go. You see the culverts and how it's draining on either side of the road. Those are huge culverts. I don't know what they have to do to that roadway, whether they just have to let it set or pack it or what, but they're working on it. This is really the only way to get down there to be able to see it is with the drone. There you have a pretty good idea of what they're doing. Looking back towards Redland Road. I'll get an overhead shot of it. Not too sure how much longer they'll have to be working on this, but since this is the 30th of June, 6 weeks from June the 11th would be July the 23rd, so that'll give you some idea of the time frame. Hopefully they'll get done a little sooner than that. While I was there, I thought I'd do a little bonus look towards the bridge, where the toll bridge, flying directly towards the toll bridge over all that farmland there that's adjacent to where they're doing the construction work. That road just does a circle around that little neighborhood there where those few houses are. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.